Hi everybody, Ryan Blair from Laticrete, Senior Product Manager of our Grouts and Sealants. Today we're going to go through changing out your display at your facility. What we have here is what we call our tree display. It's a two-sided display, and it's got a number of areas that we're gonna change over. First, we always recommend just taking out all of your existing channels, take them out, put them to the side, empty out your display. Next, we recommend it's going to come with a sticker for the top. It's going to come with a QR code that will be a reminder to order more of the Grout channel cards, as well as 10 of these small little strips here, which will have all the corresponding colors on them. So first, we recommend just taking this label here, fold it in half so it's easy to apply, take off the backing sticker, place on top, start from the top, go down so that you can reduce any bubbles, and replace the top header here. Next, you could try to peel these off. They don't really peel off too well, but if you want to do that, go ahead. Or you just take your corresponding sticker and place this up top here. And you do that for the other 9 sides and replace all of those with these labels. Really doesn't have to be in any particular order, just because you're going to refill up the display with all of the channels you've taken out, corresponding to all the colors. We have 7 colors that we've discontinued, and we have 7 new colors. Those new colors will also be included in the kit with 20 channels. And just take those new channels, put those in those empty spots where those 7 new colors are. And it will also come with new Grout color cards. We obviously have the new colors in there. Take those, put those into the side here and fill it up, and you should have a whole new display with all of our new colors. Thank you. If you have any other questions, look below, and all the directions are there as well. And happy selling. Thank you, everybody.